Darling? Darling? Is everything all right? You scared me a bit. It's 2 in the morning. What happened? Did you have a nightmare? Do you have a headache? You're feeling weak too. Give me just a minute. I'll take the thermometer to check if you have a fever. Here you are. Just relax now. It will take about 5 minutes. Me? Don't worry, I'm fine. No, really. I will be fine tomorrow. In the end, our baby keeps me awake very often during the night. No, he's a good boy tonight. But during last night, for example, I kept feeling his kicks. Are you ready for it? For this big change in our lives? You know, we are almost there. There are only 2 more months left. Then I'll give birth to him. I'm excited, yes. I already love him. No need to be jealous. I love you both more than my own life. My love for you is endless. That's why I want to take care of you whenever you need me. Let me see the thermometer now. Luckily enough, you do not seem to have a fever. Though, if you feel like you're not relaxed enough to fall asleep again, then I'll help you with that. Here, put your head on my chest. And close your eyes. Spend entire hours caressing you. You are the most important person in my life. There are not enough words in this world to describe how much I love you. I'm happy you still find me attractive and cute, even though I have this big belly. It's been a while since the last time I felt somehow beautiful. Thank you, darling. Sometimes I feel a bit stupid due to this thought of mine, but my body is changing rapidly, and I fear that one day you won't like me anymore. I know. It's probably due to my pregnancy. You know that my mood changes fast lately. I'm a very lucky woman to have known you. That time I met you, for the first time, I chose you as my man. And when a woman chooses someone, then it's forever. I love you. I love you. Can you still hear my heart beating loud for you? Seems impossible that at first we almost couldn't stand each other. It was due to my parents' will on my side. They were forcing me on an engagement that I didn't want, with a person that I didn't know. But I don't regret anything by now. I would choose you as my fiancé over and over again. As I thought it was the same thing on your side. Luckily enough, everything went well for us. You're a wonderful person. So kind. And you deserve a lot in life. I just want you to be happy. Nothing more. Well, I will be happy as well when that happens. Of course. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Don't worry about anything. We'll be happy together with our baby very soon. You're unique and special. No one else could have ever stolen my heart like you did. You're always in my mind, in every moment of my days. I'm here for you, and I